Welcome to the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. The ST Explorer is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Ford Explorer, we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We do have your automatic headlights with fog lights there as well. You have your ST branded flat bottom steering wheel, perforated leather and paddle shifters on the backside. Vehicle does have 58,683 kilometers currently at this time. Push button ignition up top. We do have a nice large touchscreen tablet system using the vertical height this time. Navigation as well as phone connectivity and audio controls. Super easy to run through. Heated and ventilated seating, lots of storage, your gear selector as well as manual mode. You have your driving modes, traction control, auto stop start as well there. The vehicle does have the all black interior, upgraded audio system. And we do have those luxurious ST leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Ford Explorer ST, we do have the 21-inch wheel and tire package with the black alloy performance rims. You do have the signature red brake calipers behind those 21-inch rims, and you do have Pirelli all-season tires. Color-matched door handles with keyless entry, Explorer down on the lower door, color-matched mirror caps with a camera system. Up front, again, same black 20-inch rim with the massive brake system and the red calipers. Coming down to the front of the ST, you have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights, front parking sensors, camera system, as well as the blacked out grille and Explorer on the hood. Vehicle does have 400 horsepower coming out of that twin turbo V6. We do have rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped, as well at the back, LED brake lights, a quad tipped exhaust system, backup camera, ST badging, and a trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior right away on the door, we do have the mesh as well, keep that sun out. We do have the captain's chair second row, both leather heated car seat ready. We do have the quick fold option getting out of the way, giving us access to our third row, a 50-50 split. This is the 6-passenger Ford Explorer. Over top, black headliner with a massive dual panel sunroof. Center console there as well for your drinks and whatever else. You do have USB ports there, your rear climate, and rubberized floor liners for the second row. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.